Yeah, my name's Alwyn Thompson. I started the Sturton District Shed Club in 2020, just after the lockdown lifted. And the reason for starting it was I retired and had very few hobbies or interests, and I thought it would be something good to get into. Looking locally, there was no other sheds within easy reach. The nearest one was at Collingham near Newark. So my thoughts were, could we start one in the immediate area? And we have a membership of 32. Not all the members attend regularly, but some of them just support the club, which is great. Lots of different backgrounds from the members, different interests, and it just makes for a friendly club to come and enjoy our spare time.
Hi, my name's Dave Crawford. I'm the chairman of Sturton District Shed Club. I've been chairman for about 3 years now. I originally joined the Shed Club because I like my own company too much, and my wife says I need to get out. So I knew about shed clubs years ago, and I decided to look up what was around the area. This one was the closest to home. So I came, joined, and they're a really friendly group, and that's how I joined. That was really all there is to it. Yes, I made a memorial cross for a gentleman we know. It was his grandfather, so a nice wooden cross, like a grave marker, if you like. That was quite nice to do, nice little project to do. And we've done a few bits for the parish council. They're always good. A few signs we've made, that sort of thing, community stuff, you know. So.
I'm Jim DeBoyk, and it was my son's idea for me to join the club. I was coming up for retirement, and he said that I needed to be doing something, and I was having problems with mental health as well, and so coming along here has given me a more brighter outlook. I was a carpenter on building sites, and I've done half of the City and Guilds in furniture making. So I've got skills that I can pass on to the other lads here, and that help them out with their projects, and that which is great for me. I'm passing these skills on. Yes, I have a project here that I'm doing at the moment, which is a train and a truck that is a planter. Sometimes it gets a bit dusty in here, especially when you've got the bandsaw going, both bandsaws, and then the skill saw as well.
A very nice little machine, nice and powerful. We've got it rigged up at the minute to the chop saw. Obviously you want to keep the dust down as much as you can for health reasons. So we have it rigged up there, and a few other machines it'll fit. But we are going to make some adapters on the 3D printer so we can hook it up to more machines. And it's just handy thing to have around the workshop. It helps cleaning it. You know, cleaning's very easy then. Yeah.
To join initially, well, most of the people that have joined are found us on the website. There is a contact detail, and that is to myself. They'll contact me, and we initially arrange for them to come and have a introductory look round, see what we're about, see if it's something they're interested in. If it is, then we take away a membership form, fill that in, and then go from there by coming in and having an induction and becoming a paid up member. Membership is £5 a month, which isn't over the top, so it makes it inclusive for everybody.